In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WhatsApp verification code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter your number correctly, what to do if the text doesn't arrive, and how to use the Call Me option without getting locked out. Start by opening WhatsApp and choosing your region from the country dropdown. This matters because it automatically adds the correct country code for your phone number. Take a second to confirm that the selected region matches the billing country of your SIM. Using the wrong region can prevent the code from ever reaching you. Next, format and enter your phone number. Type it exactly as your carrier expects. No extra zeros after the country code, and no spaces, dashes, or special characters. Double check every digit. A single mistake here will send the code to the wrong number, and you'll be waiting for a text that never comes. Before you wait on the message, make sure your phone shows strong cellular signal bars. If the verification text isn't arriving after a short moment, swipe down and toggle airplane mode on. Leave it on for about 15 seconds, then turn it off. This quick reset forces your device to reconnect cleanly to the nearest cell tower, which often clears up delayed or stuck messages. Now open your phone's default text messaging app and look for the incoming code. Don't forget to check any spam or blocked folders. Some devices automatically filter short code or automated texts, so the message can land in a place you rarely check. If you use multiple messaging apps, confirm the default SMS app is the one you're actually checking. If the text still hasn't arrived, resist the urge to guess the code or hammer the resend button. Repeated attempts can trigger a security lockout and make the wait even longer. Staying patient here saves time overall and keeps your number from being temporarily restricted. Keep an eye on WhatsApp and allow the on-screen countdown to reach 0. Once it does, you'll see the Call Me option become available. Tap Call Me, keep your phone nearby, and be ready to answer. An automated system will read the verification code out loud. Listen carefully, write it down if needed, and enter it exactly as given. If a text shows up later, use the most recent code you received since older ones may expire. And a final reminder, never share your verification code with anyone. WhatsApp and support staff will never ask for it. Follow these steps calmly and you'll get verified and back to your chats in no time.